In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook leads to HubSpot. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your marketing efforts and ensure you never miss a potential customer. Now, let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we'll need to navigate to HubSpot CRM. The easiest way to do this is by performing a quick Google search for HubSpot CRM. Once you're there, click on the option that says HubSpot CRM software. This will take you to the home page of HubSpot. Here you'll notice an option to get started free. Click on it. If you're new to HubSpot, this is where you can create an account. Otherwise, enter your credentials to log in. Once signed in, you'll be prompted to continue with your user profile. Click Continue with this user to proceed. If you have multiple accounts, you will need to select the appropriate one for this integration. After selecting, hit Continue with this account. This will lead you to the main HubSpot dashboard. To start syncing Facebook leads, navigate to the CRM section. Here, locate the Marketing tab and from the drop-down menu, select Ads. In the Ads section, click on Get Started with Ads. This is where we'll initiate the connection with Facebook. At this point, from the options presented, click on Facebook. You will be asked to sign in to your Facebook account. Go ahead, enter your credentials, and give HubSpot permission to access your Facebook ads account. This is a crucial step as it allows HubSpot to seamlessly pull in leads from your Facebook campaigns. Once integrated, you need to enable lead syncing. In HubSpot's ad settings, you'll find a section labeled Lead Syncing. Click on Connect Page to pick the Facebook page that is running your lead ads. Now toggle Sync Leads to the On position for your selected page. This feature ensures that anytime a lead is generated from your Facebook ads, the data is automatically pushed into HubSpot. Lastly, and very importantly, it's time to test the connection. This is to verify everything has been set up correctly and that the leads will begin to flow into the CRM as expected. HubSpot will provide options to test the sync functionality, and it's recommended to run a small test ad to ensure everything is running smoothly. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on connecting Facebook leads to HubSpot. By following these instructions, you'll ensure that you're capturing potential clients right where they engage with your ads. Integrating these platforms not only saves time, but also creates a seamless experience for effectively managing customer relationships. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.